Welcome back to UK Knowledge Guru, where we provide 100% free guidance. In this video, I will show you how to create your personal tax account on gov.uk website using your provisional license. This video will especially help to all the international students who arrive UK from other countries and don't have any other evidence. So let's start. For that, we'll go on gov.uk website and we will click on personal tax account sign in or setup. We will scroll down and it will give you the option for start now. Sign in or set up a personal tax account, start now. Accept and I'll tell cookies. Okay, now it will ask me to create sign in details. But before that, I need to enter my details for my government gateway. So I will click create sign in details and then it will give me the email option. I will enter my email address over here, and once I have done that, I'll click on continue. This continue will take me to next page. Now it's asking for the enter the code. My email address is confirmed. Continue. Now it's asking my full name. I'll enter my name over here. Okay, continue. Now it's asking my password. I'll put my password. I'll create my password. That's my password created. Continue. So this is my government gateway. So this is my government gateway ID, which I have created on gov.uk website using my email address and my details. Now I'll go back on gov.uk website. I'll click this time personal tax account sign in. So I'll click start now. Now it's asking my government gateway IDs. I'll put my government gateway ID. I'll put my user ID, which I have created. After sign in, it will take me to this page where it will ask me for 6-digit code, which they have sent me on my mobile number. And I'll put that access code over here. Obviously, it keeps changing, so I don't worry about that. I can show you that. We need to check your identity. Now it's asking for name, date of birth, national insurance, postcode. So I'll enter my details, first name. I'll put my date of birth. I'll put my national insurance number. And continue. We need to confirm your identity. Now it's asking for my payslip, self-assessment, credit record, UK international passport or international passport. So I can use international passport and I can use my driving license. So using these two documents, especially for international students, these two documents would do the job. Choose how to prove you are. So match your face using your document using an app. Enter your details, documents and records. So you have both the options. So we'll select the first one. If the first one don't work, we'll do the second one. Are you on a computer or a tablet right now? Yes, I am. Do you have a smartphone? You can use yes, I have a smartphone. I got Android. I'll click yes. Do you have a valid passport? Yes, I got the valid passport. Does your passport have this symbol on the cover? So I don't have that if I'm applying it from the international student. Do you have a valid UK photo card driving license? Yes. Like we said, we will show you how to apply this, how to do this using your international driving license or your provisional driving license. Okay, using your UK driving license and gov.uk app to confirm your identity. Does your smartphone have a camera? Yes. The app use flashes color. Do you have to continue? Yes. Now it's giving me the scan code. So I'll scan this code, and once I'll scan this code, it will take me to the to option where I can do my face ID check. So I'll do that face ID check, and obviously I'll do that just now. Okay, so I'm just doing it. So I have done this. Now it's taking me to the phone. So I'll show you the phone. Gov.uk ID, confirm your identity check. Confirm your identity securely. The gov.id app check is a secure way to confirm your identity. It helps you to protect your account against identity theft. Okay, so we'll do that. Before you can continue, we need your consent to share your information. Do you have consent to HMRC sharing your driving license? Yes, that's fine. Identity check complete. So using my driving license, I have done my identity check. You can sign in to the personal tax account. Now it's asking me choose how to get your texts and letters. You can have option, you can have online, or you can do it by paper copy as well. So it's got different. So if you use the obviously online, it's more quicker, whereas if you use the post, it will be post. enter your email address. I'll put my email address over here, and that's my email address in, and I'll click continue. It takes me to we'll verify later. I have verified. Okay, I have verified my email address. Now I have account home. In account home, like I have all the details. On the right side, I have messages, check progress, profile and settings, sign out. And if you see, that's my name over here coming up, latest news and updates, pay as you earn, payee, and what I have earned before. So I can see everything on my personal tax account online. If I go down, I can see my previous pay, what I have earned. You paid the right amount of tax in that. HMRC has no record of you being employed in this tax year. So there's no record over here. National insurance, I can check my national insurance number, contribution, how much I have paid. View your tax in annual tax summary. I can click and view all my annual tax summary as well. So this is how simple is that to get you can check your personal tax account online on gov.uk website. If you have arrived to UK first time, you can create all these details and you can see all the things. You can also see over here view and print income tax and employment history. So you can print everything on this page.